Alright, how's everybody doing? Um, I'm going to be going through my Google site for y'all real quick. I decided to do mine on baseball skills because I played baseball all my life and it's something that's, um, that I know a lot about. And so I thought it would be a good topic for my website. So let's go through it. First thing is my home page. It's just welcoming you to the page. Welcome baseball skills. Biography. Got a bunch of things about myself y'all can read up on. It's a nice little picture of me. Resources. These are some of the resources that I used throughout my career that I thought would help other baseball players. Um, there's a little description of each one for you. Tech projects, digital story. I did my digital story on hitting home runs. Um, it's something that is very prevalent in baseball today, and I just gave a little tips and tricks on some ways to improve hitting home runs. Um, Here's my PLE, PLN, the chart down here, and mobile app. I did my mobile app on Quizlet. Um, it's something that I use a lot, to study and stuff, and I think it benefits anybody really that's studying. Um, just a little look through the slides for you. The last slide I incorporated a little video that I found on YouTube. Shows you a little easier way how to navigate through Quizlet. And then here's my Apple teacher certification with all my badges right there. And then I will be adding the screencasts in after I finish this. So hope that gives y'all a run through my website. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank y'all for watching, and have a good one.